Introducing the VFR, Voot Flow Rotary Cleaner, a high-pressure cleaner built for powerful, efficient and consistent floor care. Designed with strong rotary action, it tackles tough dirt and grime while remaining safe across a variety of surfaces. Easy to handle and smooth to operate, the VFR ensures effortless cleaning with visible results every time. Whether it's commercial spaces or industrial environments, this machine is made to deliver performance where it matters. The VFR is designed to deliver efficient and uniform flow cleaning across the surface. Its rotary cleaning action helps loosen dirt, grime, and build up with every pass. The machine covers the floor evenly, so cleaning feels more consistent and effective. It is built to handle floor cleaning smoothly while reducing manual effort. The result is a cleaner surface with faster and more reliable performance.